Hey everyone, welcome back to the incredible channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into the top 5 wireless chargers that will absolutely blow your mind and leave you wanting more. No matter if you're on the lookout for faster charging speeds, more sleek designs, budget-friendly options, or even premium all-in-one docks that can do it all, I've got you covered just right. I've handpicked these chargers based on their exceptional performance, price, and compatibility, ensuring that you'll find the perfect one for your team iPhone. Stick around for even more, because we'll also share my personal favorite wireless charger and help you decide which one is the absolute best fit for your needs and preferences.
One of the really nice things about this charging dock is a USB charger as well as a USB-C cable. And here we have the charger. It charges via USB-C right here. Let me turn the lights off here so you can see a little bit better, but it's got this nice LED that goes all the way around. So it just unfolds nice and easy like this. There is a light button here, so you can press that if you want to turn it off. So the iPhone sticks magnetically as well as charging, so you can use this as a dock. You just plug it up there and then you can see it is charging. So for your phone, it has an output of 15 watts max. And then for the headphones, 5 watts, and then for the watch, 2.5 watts. And the watch just flips out here. Really a very nice design. And of course, you can always rotate your phone if you want it in landscape mode, and it will turn on the screensaver for your phone, so you can use it as a clock. Really nice that way. I've tried the